What is up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a little different. It's gonna be a weekly recap. Just gonna be going over what happened in the week, what trades we took, weekly P&L, what everything was looking like. So at the start of the week, which was what, April 27th, bro. Alright, so Monday there was no news. So coming into the day, this purple is yall. So from the close to the open, this purple FG is the yall. Don't forget that. Yeah, let's go to market open. Alright, market open. We got, what lows and highs do we have? Oh no. I just moved something. But whatever. I'll move it. Yeah, so what do we got? Can we make this bigger? Nope. Alright. So coming into the day, we got these lows right here, and we got this hourly gap right here. That's basically it. So let's see on the 1 minute what we want to do. Okay, we have our first FEG right here. Let's make this black. I know it says 5 minutes, this is the first 1 minute. Okay, we inverse it and nothing. So what time is it? 6:45, so 15 minutes in. That's if we wanted to get in right here, which isn't a horrible entry. Your TP is 17 handles and your stop is at least 21 handles, so it's negative RR, so there's no point in trading that. It's very volatile. Let's look at the 5 minute. 5 minute, we're creating a 5 minute FG right there. 15 minute, we're looking bearish, of course. And wow, big reversal. Do we make a 5 minute FG? Nope. Nothing. What time is it? 6:58. Okay, 7 a.m. comes out. Doesn't really do much. We made, we ticked this high, this intermediate liquidity high, and what do? We're looking, we're not really doing anything, to be honest. I mean, we had like a quick liquidity run back up, and we haven't really been doing anything else. 5 minute looks disgusting. 15 minute, it's looking short right now because of this candle, but once we go right back up, yeah, like look at it. So after like once the 1 minute is stuck in a range, like there's a 80 handle range, okay, it's stuck in a range. 5 minute has wicks higher and lower. They're like, it's making a new high, making a new low, new high, new low, you know, it's not doing anything. 15 minute is wicks all around. Like, even though it's only what, 7:37, like this day is wrapped up already. Yeah, there's nothing else left for today. So let's go to tomorrow. Yeah, let's go to tomorrow. 5 a.m. Alright. So boom. This is Tuesday now. So let's see. So actually on the hourly, what highs and lows do we have? We have the top here. We have this, and then we have these lower liquidities. So let's let's see what we want to take. So we start off, we make a little push up. I didn't get in on any of these pushes because it's too early on in the day. You know, before this and this, yeah, it's only 20 minutes into market open, so that's usually not anything like I like to trade. I like to wait at least the first 15 minutes before I take a trade, because I feel like before that, from my back testing, like I feel like I just get manipulated. So yeah, let's see. Okay, we were looking bullish, but you know, maybe structure could be changing right now. Let's see if we have anything on the 5 minute. 5 minute, we have this FEG right here, which we're inversing right now. 15 minute, it looks like we might be rejecting off of this gap right here. Okay, let's see. There's the 5 minute FEG right here. Okay. Right now, I remember, right now, I really wanted to get in right here because I really like this. But what I said to myself was, I mean, we already pumped up 100, like 50 handles. So, like, but there are highs right here. So what I wanted was one more strong close up, because if we start to get weak over here, this is just a fake bullish flag right here. And on ES, I remember ES was a lot lower, so it was not looking as bullish as NQ was. So we're not showing any strength. And let's see, we're just kind of not really doing anything, but we're looking bearish. Okay, now 5 minute, you know, we lost our strength going up, and we're kind of breaking down. And okay, this is a one last tap on the 5 minute. Boom, we get a nice 23 handle candle close down past these lows right here. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. 5 minute looks good. We did that last tap, and it looks like we're going down. 15 minute, looks like we really rejected. We were confused for a little bit, and now we're going down as well. And also overnight we were bearish as well. So that helps with the bearish trade idea. Okay. Boom. So first, okay, this was to, no, I think it was to the body, not the wick. Yeah, so we get that. Boom. I'm break even. Yeah, my stop is break even, but I need to leave it open just for the handle counter. Stops are break even. We instant take this out. And oh wait, we took it. Yeah. So this was 100 handles. I mean, this is genuinely like a bigger TP for me. Like 100 handles is kind of crazy, but usually TPs are like 30 to 60 handles for me. But yeah, but notice what I did. I put my TP at the body right here and not the wick. And how big of a difference is it? The body to the wick? It's 11 handle difference. So kind of, that's usually a bigger difference than usually. Usually it's like 5 handles. But putting your TP like at the very wick, at the very low, like can hurt you like 2 out of 10 times, which, you know, it does matter a lot, because now you see this rejection. Now you get out here, and instead of TPing here, you get scared and take it out. That's 36 handle difference, bro. That's a lot. So yeah, so I mean that's that's a big rule I've been doing, where like putting it at the body, or you know, a little higher or lower than the wick. Yeah. I don't think I would have gotten BE'd. Yeah, I wouldn't have gotten BE'd, and you know, maybe my full TP would have got hit, but I was done in, you know, I got in my trade here. I was done in 6 minutes instead of 17 minutes. So like there is kind of a big difference there. Yeah, you know, but instead of this candle, imagine I got in this candle right here and I would have gotten bead on the close. So, you know, yeah, like things like that, you never know. But yeah, let's look at what the 5 minute looked like. The 5 minute was beautiful. We got that closed down, and then we just delivered. 15 minute, like I said, overnight was bearish. It looks like it came up. Fake bullish flag for some people. We're just respecting, and boom, down. So yeah, that was a good trade. I like that one. Let's see, next day now. What time is it? 5. Okay. So coming into the day, we have these highs, and these lows. Okay, boom. 6:15, 25. Alright. Alright, boom. We can delete this. Alright, so again, on the hourly, we had a bearish day, but overnight we've kind of like went up and went down. You know, it's not too clean overnight, but yeah, but let's see. So don't forget, we have lows right here very close and highs a little higher. So oh my, boom, instantly lows get taken out, which can be good for us. And okay, boom, first 1 minute FEG right here. I do like that, you know, we make this first 1 minute FEG, we undercut that low, and we moon. I do like that, but I don't know, I didn't really like it at the moment. You know, the 5 minute was looking strong, but we still had this 5 minute FEG right here that could have protected it, and the 15 minute we tapped this 15 minutes. So like I kind of wanted it to close a little stronger after a little bit more time. So yeah, let's see. That's also good as well, but like I said, this FEG is something big that we're reacting off of. What time is it? 7:03. Okay. So now it's like maybe a fake bearish flag. Maybe some people are getting in shorts, you know, just trying to, you know, oh, FEG tap boom. No, you know, that's not how it works. But now I'm starting to like it a little more. Where, you know, its price has marinated a little bit. 5 minute, let's see. Okay, beautiful. 5 minute, we have a 5 minute FEG right here that we could have become respecting, and you know, going in the same direction. 15 minute, we went into the wick, we reacted, and now we could be going higher. Okay, so ideally I would want a close above the 5 minute FEG, which is, you know, right there, but maybe one more strong close, and boom. Alright, I'm in. Yeah, I'm in. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like when I'm in. Okay, a good rejection right here. 15 minute, a good sweep right here, manipulation right here, and then we're going higher. But yeah, so I'm in right there. This was not my stop. My stop was right here. 26 handles for 65. Again, I'm targeting the body right here, not the wick. So let's see. Okay. But I'm for sure break even right there. After we take those highs, and especially these equal highs right there, I'm break even. Yeah, I'm break even, but I'll keep it open just so we have the counter. Okay, beautiful. This is exactly what we want. Um, let's see. Next candle. This kind of scared me, but we had a bounce right back up, and boom, perfect TP. But perfect TP. Let's see if next candle would have got me as well. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that was 65 handles, which is still kind of a bigger stop for me. Or bigger TP, but I was trading a little smaller size. I was trading 3 micros instead of 5 usually micros. Um, but yeah, what does a 5 minute look like? Again, we saw that rejection up the sweep at first, close above the 5 minute, and it rallied for us again. 15 minute. Um, and then let's see. There was highs right there too. Wow, that's disgusting. Imagine aiming for these perfect hourly highs, overnight highs right there. That's what I'm saying. You put your TP right there. You want the full max TP, and boom, you get edged by literally 2 points. Yeah, so that's why it's important to put it, at the body or the close or whatever instead of the wick. So you guarantee, that extra 2 handles, 5 handles isn't gonna make or break your account, but you not taking profit there and you get scared and you take it here, that's a 10-15 handle difference. So yeah, so that's a big thing right there. But yeah, okay, that was what, Wednesday, so let's go to Thursday. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what do we have? We have these highs right here. We got some lows right here. Okay. So market opens, we get a huge dump down, instantly taking out lows. Let's see. First 1 minute FEG was right here. Inside of NWOG, in the week opening gap. Let's see. Honestly, that is probably an entry right there. There's lows right there. That's probably an entry, but I personally did not get in. Just because I mean, like, look, if you're looking overnight, we shot up, shot down, shot up again, and now we're shooting down. Like, the day has just moved so much and been so volatile where, even it shooting down right now is still like kind of rare. And plus, I mean, we've already dumped 200 plus handles overnight, or when the market opened. But I mean, this is probably an entry. I would have gotten in right there, but that's prices right here. So let's say, okay, 54 handle stop for 76. Let's see if we would have gotten cooked or not. Okay, I would have went break even. I would have went break even right there, cause we're already 50 handles in profit at 76. Let's see. Oh, I would have gone break even. Yeah, perfect. Boom. And then, oof, that's disgusting. Yep. We take liquidity. And then it just starts chopping. To take liquidity, this is where a lot of people lose money. And then, here we go, the reversal, the PM sesh. A lot of people love to trade this, and they get a little pop-up. I mean, honestly, like, I feel like it's pretty common when we have a big move in the AM and the PM literally just comes and inverses it at least like halfway through. Where's the midpoint? Oh, we're already at the midpoint, but like, yeah, but just like, let's say you get in a long right here with like very little, yeah, with very little size. I mean, let's say you go break even right now. you would probably hit TP, you know, because I mean, but that's 100 handle TP. Like if you're aiming for NWOG or first 1 minute, like you would hit TP. But yeah, I didn't take a trade that day. But let's see. Let's see. This is Friday. So yeah, this was Friday. We literally just opened up and mooned 200 handles plus again. Overnight was honestly pretty small. Like you went up a little bit, went down a little bit, but like I was not expecting a 300 handle candle on the hourly. That's kind of disgusting right there. But yeah, we just open up, we moon. You know, we have nothing but bullish candles for the first 10 minutes. And we get a little bit of shaking over here. But, I mean, again, like, let's say you get in right here. Your stop is 50 handles, but what are you targeting? You know, it's all-time highs. And, you know, it's just mooning. So you never really know when it's going to stop. You never know when it's gonna stop. You know, there's no level to target. There's standard deviations and all that, but it's just less probable. But yeah, 5 minute, 15 minute. Yeah, like we're just going up and going down. Like there's no good, nice structure. There's nothing to it, and yeah, I skipped out on this day too. Like I woke up, I just saw it. I'm like, bro, I can't trade this. But yeah. But yeah, that was the week. Market. It's Sunday right now. Market just opened. This was a daily. Yeah, market just opened. So this is all my purple FEGs are NWOGs, no week opening gaps. So basically you put it at where it closes. So this is a down count, so it opens up, closes down. So it closed down, and this is where it opened. So yeah, this wick right here is all-time high as well. So new week opening gap is kind of really important on Mondays usually, or if we haven't touched it, just any day of the week that we touch it. Yeah, we got highs, all-time highs right here, new week opening gap right here, and yeah, I mean, other than that, that's basically it. That was our little weekly recap. We're up on the week, so that's good. Let's see. We're up on the week. We took 2 trades. We won both days. We're up 670 on the accounts. It's a fresh pair of accounts. So first week we did nothing. Last week made 680. So yeah, it's gonna be a new month this month, but yeah, it should be a good month. We should hopefully get a payout this month. I'm going to try to get a payout from these fresh accounts for you guys and for me. But yeah. Let's check out the news for this week. So Monday nothing, Tuesday we have 7 a.m. Wednesday nothing, Thursday nothing, Friday we have 2 stage deliveries, so 5:30 and 7 a.m. But it's kind of a chill week, you know, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday nothing, Friday 7 a.m. and Tuesday 7 a.m. Friday I'm tweaking, but yeah, it was a good week. This week should be good as well, but we are in all-time highs, so you know, not everything is going to be perfect. Not everything is going to be, you know, you're not going to be able to read every level for TPs or whatever, but yeah, just stay careful. If you're longing all-time highs, you know, journal, back test. These YouTube videos are kind of like my back testing or my journaling sessions, and then I'm back testing here too. Just make a FX replay account. Do 2 weeks a day, do a month a day. Whatever you can. 10 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day, whatever you can. Um, just do whatever you can, and just try to get better. But on the weekends, try to not be on the computer all day every day. Take a day off. But yeah, other than that, just stay patient, stay humble, take your A+ setups, do everything correctly, trust in God, and that's it. Alright, y'all. I'll see you guys during the week for the market recaps. Peace.